Hey everyone, we have something really exciting at the Bambu P1S. This is one of the latest 3D printers from Bambu Lab. All right, let's get started. Right off the bat, we've got some really nice packaging. Bambu Lab always takes their time to ensure everything is safe and secure. I was a bit skeptical about pulling it out. Let's check out what else we get in the box before setting this beauty up. We've got a spool of filament, perfect for getting started right away. It's always nice when companies include this so you can test the machine straight out of the box. Let's take the plastic off. There is also an anti-moisture bag to keep everything dry. As always, make sure to give this a quick read before setting everything up. Before you take the AMS out, you must first loosen the bolts using the supplied Allen key. They've provided all the essential tools you'll need to assemble and maintain the P1S. And here it is. After I have installed everything, it is time to make a first print. I'm really curious what the quality of the Bambu Lab P1S will be. The print is finished, and it took about 12 minutes to print this boat. And I have to say, it looks much better than I expected. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full review, where I'll dive into how the P1S performs with different prints and materials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video. Thanks for watching.